We're going to play a game now called Superhero Sound Effects. Jen and I are going to play superhero characters, taking some of the names that you guys have suggested here. Christina is going to do the sound effects for my character. Francis will do any sound effects that happen for Jen's character. We got Booger Woman. So gross.
Well, there's a Snot Girl comic, so that kind of.
We got Spelling Bee Woman.
I like that. I like Spelling Bee Woman.
That came from Victor. Booger Woman came from Bro Ties. Bro Ties came up with the also very lovely Lubrication Application Guy. What kind of crisis do they have to be called in for to save the day? Dreamy Dark says someone has stolen all the ice cream in the city during a heat wave. And I know, oh my God. All right, folks. So this is superhero sound effects. We have Spelling Bee Woman and Lubrication Application Guy who have called in to solve the crisis of they are out of ice cream during the worst heat wave ever experienced in the city. Spelling Bee Woman, I'm so glad you're here. This sun is so hot. Can you please put this suntan lotion on my back?
Lotion, L-O-T-I-O-N.
No, that was great. Thank you for spelling it, but I need you to apply it, not just spell it.
Apply. A-P-P-L-Y. Apply.
Oh my God, that was a huge amount. That was way too much sunblock, actually. But all right, thank you very much. I think I'll be covered for the next week.
Excellent.
What was that? With Scooby-Doo? What are you doing here?
Ricky.
All right, anyway, Spelling Bee Woman. I heard. Is there a crisis? Is there something that needs saving in the city?
There is. One of the supervillains has stolen all of the ICECREAM ice cream from the town. You must go liberate.
My God, that is terrible. I heard dramatic music playing. This is a very important crisis.
Dun 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 dun.
I don't know who did that in our base, who put that music in, but it's really good.
We had the sound system installed a few days ago.
Oh, excellent, good. All right, great. Let's get in the Spellmobile.
Onwards to the Spellmobile.
All right, yeah, we're over there.
No, turn left. L-E-F-T, left.
All right, here, hit the brakes. We're here. All right. Oh, good. Here we go. Let's get out.
Onward.
All right, that was a very quiet door. We're good. We're out. All right. Where are we? I don't even know where we went.
We are at the tar pits.
Oh my God, we're at the tar. Oh, I see. They've dumped all the ice cream into the tar pits. Those fiends.
Horrible.
What? I don't know.
Who could have done this?
Oh my God, I don't know. It must be our arch enemies, lactose intolerant gang.
Oh no, not lactose intolerant gang gang.
Oh. Oh, here I hear their stomachs. They must be sick.
They must have eaten some of the ice cream.
Oh God! Oh God! They're trying to stink us out. Terrible.
Their secret WEAPON weapon.
Quick! All right, yes, quick! Grab these containers of milk from the Spellmobile. Here, we're gonna squirt these milk at them. Squeeze the containers.
Squish, squish.
Oh, the milk is actually making them melt.
But the lubrication application man, how will we get the ice cream out of the tar pits?
Well, that is a great question. Here, luckily, I carry this super sucking vacuum cleaner with me.
Oh, excellent. Vacuum, one of the only words with a W in the English language.
Yes, very good. All right, here, let's vacuum it out. I'm going to turn it on to maximum.
Turn it to maximum.
All right. All right. Good. I think we got all the ice cream and some other stuff we probably didn't want either. All right, let's enjoy this ice cream. We have saved the city.
Hooray! Victory!
Oh my God!
Victory!
The fans are adoring us. Thank you, fans. All right, scene.
My husband just came out looking at me like, what the F is going on? Just making sound effects, babe. It's all good. Yeah.